Magnificent cityscapes along a hidden stretch of water. We're taking on 5 great coasteering routes in Hong Kong, and this is Drone and Phone. We're 4th in the series of our coasteering, something very different from last week. Jack, what are we doing today?
Yeah, this is Kowloon side today, and at the back is Hong Kong Island. So we're gonna start from the Lei Yu Mun lighthouse, then we go to Chao Keng Lake. There's a challenge for him. The grandmas can do it in 5 hours. We're gonna try to finish within 6.
It's a very, very different coasteer from the one we did last time, right in the middle of the city, but from fantastic views. I can see already very much a cityscape around us. Let's get going. Coasteering is an activity that combines hiking, climbing and swimming to move along a rocky coastline. With warm waters and more than 1,000 kilometres of seashore, Hong Kong is the perfect location for the emerging sport. We've chosen 5 routes for all levels of outdoor enthusiasts who want to give it a go. In this episode we start at Yau Tong MTR and set off into the myriad of small streets in Sam Kar Chun. It's hard to navigate in this maze, even for my star navigator.
Jack's got lost again.
The area is full of seafood restaurants and a good opportunity for a nice lunch before setting off.
I'm not taking that for lunch.
I promised him I'd get him a lobster for lunch, so there you go.
Once you reach the lighthouse, set off along the seawall, through the temple and then down onto the shoreline to start the first section of coasteering.
Well, this is a great place to start coasteering. As you can see, they've built stairs into the wall to make it even easier coming down. So it just makes the whole experience a little bit easier, particularly on the hard bits. But Jack?
What did you say? Easier?
Houston, we have a problem.
The waters in Junk Bay have benefited significantly from the harbour area treatment scheme and are now deemed safe to swim. It's not the clear water of Po Toi, but on the day that we visited felt clean enough for swimming. Not long into the adventure and Jack has unearthed something.
So Jack's been doing a little bit of gold digging and he's come up with some treasure. What have you got there, Jack?
$3.50.
So you're going to buy me lobster?
Or maybe crab.
Well, we've reached about the halfway mark. This is a very different type of coasteer. Equally challenging, quite fun. Some spectacular views, eh, Jack?
Yeah, we're still in the city, right?
Now, we're getting the hang of coastering. We want to give you a few tips, something that we've learned along the way. First, the bag, very important. Try and get yourself a waterproof bag. We're using these Sea-Lock bags, which have been great, but make sure inside them, as you can see here, we've got an extra layer dry bag just to be 100% pure.
Too much bushwhacking.
Yeah, if you go bushwhacking, they can get punctured as you go along. Also shoes, let me have a look here on Jack's shoes. We're using these Kailases. Very important, right, Jack?
Yeah, it's specially designed for this kind of activity. Really fast dry, the water goes through the holes.
Yeah.
Super grip.
These ones are designed for coasteering, and I've got to say, the first couple we did without them, and these have made a huge difference. Great grip, quick to dry, easy to swim in, just got everything that you need for coasteer. Also, water bottle, essential. We're using these life straw bottles. We can refill them at the waterfalls and the streams as we go along. That keeps us hydrated. Very important. It can get very hot on these rocks out here. Any other tips, Jack?
Yeah, this one, important. You see where you go, you see the sea creatures as well.
Yeah, swimming goggles. There's a lot of sea urchins and other things that can spike you and do all sorts of bad harm to you. So having those on, also nice to see the fish occasionally. Right, Jack, another half to go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get going.
The second half takes you past some small streams and a cave that we were not able to explore because of high waves. You also pass a few small beaches where you can rest and enjoy the city views.
It's my turn to have a tiny little bit scratch. The difference between me and DJ is I don't complain about it. It's just tiny little bit. Only a few sharks will come.
The last section takes you to an isolated pool and waterfall that on a hot day provides much needed relief in the sun-baked rocks. We have found on all these trips coastal waste plagues the Hong Kong shoreline. To make a small difference, Jack had a bright idea.
Yeah, I found this fishing net. So at the end of the hike, we can collect a bit of garbage from the sea. Eventually, it might be clean.
To get out at the end of the coasteer is complicated by a new construction project that blocks your way out to Teo Kung Lung. We took a different route around the construction fence.
No bushwhacking? Impossible! Impossible if you go out with DJ.
A kind security man took pity on us and guided us through the construction site. We presume once the construction is finished, there should be an easier exit.
Well, that's the end of this episode. It's been very different, but a lot of fun, eh, Jack?
Yeah, look at the view we have here in between the city.
As always, if you like the show, please like and subscribe wherever you are watching this. My name's DJ Clark.
I'm Jack.
This is Drone and Phones.
I hope he's aware of this show. It's about coasteering. It's not swimming. Yeah, it's not a good 200-300 meters. He's still in the water. Still in the water.